Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to test whether a quadratic expression is a perfect square. And as we promised, we are going to be doing such videos here. So make sure that you turn on that bell to be receiving our updates and comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Uh, Okay, we solve a problem here. Given that 4x squared plus kx plus 9 is a perfect square, find the value of k. So here, the first problem you have is identifying what is a, what is b, and what is c. Because in every quadratic equation, we know that we have an a, and according to our question, our a is 4. So our a is 4. Our A is 4. Our B is K. B is K. And our C we get to be, our C is 9. Now, what is AC? Say that AC is equal to 4 multiplied by 9. What do you get? 4 by 9, you get, which equals to 36. 36. Now, what about b over 2 squared? We have k b over 2 squared. So make sure that b and 2 are within the bracket. So according to our question, our b over 2 squared, we get k all over 2 divided by, not divided by, squared. So that is squared. And then what do you get? That is our answer. So which equals to k squared divided by 4. K squared divided by 4. And now solving the two, mixing the two so as to find the value of k, you say that k squared divided by 4 should give you 36. 36. So you multiply both sides by 4. You multiply both sides by 4. Multiply 36 by 4. And what do you get? That this cancels this, so 4 cancels 4, and you get that k squared is the same as 144. And 44. Oh, how do you solve this? You'll find the square root. The square root of k squared should be equal to the square root of 144. So what do you get? You have k is the same as 12, and that is our answer, that k is equals to 12. Now, using that same knowledge, find out if the following quadratic expressions are perfect squares or not. So you have x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now, x squared plus 3x plus 2. What is our a? So, using our first question, say that our a, going to do our a, and our a according to the first equation is 1, because there is always a 1 here that is interceding, that is preceding, that comes before the x squared. The coefficient of x squared now is 1, so our a is 1. What about our b? Our b is equal to 3. I hope you can see our b is 3, and our c is 2. Sorry, because of my max. So a multiplied by c is 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. What about 3? We go to another page. So I said that 3 divided by 2. So the answer that you get, you square it. Then after squaring it, what do you get? You get 9 over 4. 9 over 4. Now, that is 9 over 4. So what is 9 over 4? 9 divided by 4 is the same as 2.25. Equals to 2.25. And we'll say that 2 is not equal to 2.25, and therefore it is not a perfect square. Not, so I say it is not a perfect square. So the same thing you do with second expression, sorry. So our second expression, label b, is 4x squared plus 16 plus 16x plus 16. So we have our a as 4, our b is 16. Sorry. Our a is 4, our B is 16, 16, and our C is in also. And so if you multiply A multiplied by C is 16 times 4. 16 times 4 gives you 64. So A multiplied by C is equals to 64. 64. And B over 2 is 16 over 2 is 8. So B over 2 is equals to 8 to 8. So B over 2 squared is equal to 64. And now because 64, we see that 64 is equal to 64. Then that means that A multiplied by C is the same as B over 2 squared, and that means that this is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. I hope you can do the final question. If you have any problem, you can just comment below. Just comment at the comment section, and surely enough, I will help you go about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. More videos to come. Subscribe.